Welcome to week 4, I believe. Week 4. So let's go over some stuff here that you've been through and then some stuff that you're going to do. So you've gone through, let's see, all here, module 0. You're all the way down to module 3, I believe. And this is what you're going to do coming up this week. First of all, read these assignments. Read these pages here, and then complete the build of photo frame app. That's kind of a mouthful. This is you'll find this is not a playground that you downloaded. So you're going to be creating your own first app. It doesn't do much, but it is a start. And I just made a new video for that. So here's a video that takes you through this particular assignment. Once you create this project, it's going to throw a folder on your desktop or your documents directory or wherever you put the project file. Make sure you zip up that whole folder and not just one file from it, the whole folder. I need the whole folder to grade the assignment. And I believe I go over that in the video as well. What else is going on here? So once you complete the build a photo frame app, there is this, read through these pages here, and this is your next assignment is the complete the functions playground. Now there's all kinds of functions videos we got here. I wonder if these are mine or someone else's. Let's see. Yeah, one of these is mine. Okay, great. So watch one of these videos just to get a handle on how functions are declared in Xcode. I mean in Swift. Okay. So let's see, we've got that one, and then we also have the App Journal audience. So let's take a look at the App Journal audience and what it wants you to do there. Okay, this one's a little bit like, it'll take a little bit of time because it asks for 10 apps in the App Store and the category each is in. Also read the descriptions for each of them, look at the screenshots for each of those apps, write down who you think it was developed for, like kids, adults, machine shop workers, fast food employees, who's the target audience, who would download it. Go back to your list of app ideas and identify one or a few key audiences for each of your apps. So for each of the 5 apps that you made in the last assignment, by the way, which are amazing, you have some really great ideas, and I'm looking forward to seeing how those develop over the course of the semesters or the classes, because you can continue with those ideas in the CIS165, CIS265. You can actually probably build and submit it to the App Store. By the end of this class, CIS150, you will already have known more than I knew when I released my first app to the App Store. So just know that you don't need to know everything to submit apps to the App Store. And this class will take you through the basics of Swift, which I didn't even really know when I first was releasing my apps. So you're in good place here. So go back to the app ideas, identify audiences for each of those apps that you listed, and make sure you break them into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 for me. So it's a little easier for me to keep track of which of your apps you're talking about. And then just upload that here. Now, if you are getting stuck on anything, string interpolation, which is that slash parentheses business that we're talking about. If you're getting stuck on anything, send me a message. You're getting confused, and we can set up a time, schedule WebEx, or I can just communicate with you via Canvas email. That's fine too. Whatever way you'd like to reach out to me, and we'll get you all caught up. And once again, if your assignments are a little bit late, don't worry about it. I am going to mark them as missing assignments and give you 0 points for them. But as soon as you turn them in, I'll give you as many points as you have earned for that assignment, and we'll just keep going. It's just there so that if you get behind too much in the class, you realize your grade starts dropping, and you're like, "Why is my grade dropping?" Oh yeah, I have a bunch of assignments. In the beginning, I didn't mark late for assignments, and I didn't mark 0 for assignments, and people thought they were doing fantastic at the end of the semester, and they really had like 20 assignments missing or something, so it would show you 100% at that point. If you had turned in like 2 assignments and I gave you 100 on those 2 assignments, then you think you're doing great. So that's a little too much. You don't need to know all that. So that's week 4. I also opened up week 5 here for those of you who like to work ahead, and that gets into advanced functions, parameters, results, and types is really important, and then UI design. So again, stay safe out there, everyone. Reach out if you're getting stuck. You're all doing great. You did a good job on the strings and the constants and the variables. And again, your app ideas were awesome. So I'm really loving this class. You guys are doing fantastic. And I say guys in the, guys, gals, his, her, they, everyone's doing great.